Presenting the suckest quality of my phone. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, you can't even see my face. Probably can't now. But yeah, so my mom made me go to church today, and Christians pray for anything. And when I say anything, I mean anything. This girl, I understand she was old and she needed heat and stuff, but like, she had the church pray for her because she lost her heat, and then she got it back, and she's praying because she got her heat back. But it's not even cold. It's like summertime already. So it doesn't make any sense. Who cares? And then we had to pray for animals so that they can get a drink. Like, the lakes and stuff were supposedly dirty, but how are you going to have a clean lake? I don't understand that. And they had us pray for like so much nonsense. Like, seriously. And then I'm just sitting there like, oh my god. And then I was just looking down. I was like, Mom, I don't want to be here. Can we leave? She's like, shh, stop talking. And I was like, oh my god. Really? And then after that, I snuck her iPhone out of her purse thingy. And then I was playing Temple Run, the funnest game ever, just saying. And I was playing Temple Run, and yeah. Just wait for them to come back. Go. Well, stop talking to me. Right, and then I was playing Temple Run, and I was about to play, and I pressed play. And if you're good at that game, and like you ever try like playing the game or whatever, in the beginning it makes some like ha ha sound or whatever. And I'm not doing the sound again, but like it makes some weird monkey sound, and that's what it did. And it was all the way up, and then everybody in the church turned around, and it's a small church. It's about 20 people. They all turned around and were like, oh, where's that coming from? And I was like, oh my gosh. And I was like, crap. And then my mom was like, shh, you're not supposed to swear in church. And I was like, crap's not a bad word. And then I attracted so much attention, and it was so embarrassing. Yeah, I really don't like going to church. And then at the end, these girls came up to me and were like, oh, do you like want to be in the, what was it? Don't remember the word. I'll remember soon. Do you want to be in like this group or whatever? And it's only 4 of them. So I was like, yeah, sure, why not? So now I'm in a little group for the teenagers. Yeah, and we get to read the Bible. I get to leave my house at 9 o'clock in the morning and come home at 2 in the afternoon. So much fun. But yeah, I know, the quality of this video is pretty suckish. Just saying. But, oh well. When my webcam starts working again, I'll definitely be using it. But, yeah.